Welcome to the guide to TSB Bank Loan Calculator. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the calculator to determine your loan repayments. The TSB Bank Loan Calculator is a useful tool that helps you calculate your monthly loan repayments based on the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. To start, you need to visit the TSB Bank website and navigate to the Loan Calculator page. Once you are on the page, you will see a simple and easy-to-use interface that requires you to enter a few details. The first step is to enter the loan amount you wish to borrow. This can be any amount between the minimum and maximum loan limits set by TSB Bank. Next, you need to select the repayment term, which is the length of time you have to repay the loan. The repayment term can range from a few months to several years. Depending on the type of loan you are applying for, it is essential to choose a repayment term that suits your financial situation and ensures you can afford the monthly repayments. After entering the loan amount and repayment term, you need to select the interest rate. The interest rate is the rate at which interest is charged on your loan, and it can vary depending on the type of loan and your credit score. The TSB Bank Loan Calculator allows you to choose from a range of interest rates, so you can see how different rates affect your monthly repayments. Once you have entered all the necessary details, you can click the Calculate button to see your estimated monthly repayments. The calculator will provide you with a breakdown of the total interest paid over the life of the loan, as well as the total amount repaid. This information is crucial in helping you make an informed decision about your loan. Practical example: if you borrow $10,000 over 5 years at an interest rate of 6%, your monthly repayment would be approximately $193. The total interest paid over the life of the loan would be $31.95, and the total amount repaid would be $13,195. Best practices when using the TSB Bank Loan Calculator include considering all the costs associated with the loan, such as arrangement fees and early repayment charges. You should also think about your budget and ensure you can afford the monthly repayments. It is also essential to compare different loan options and interest rates to find the best deal for your circumstances. In conclusion, the TSB Bank Loan Calculator is a valuable tool that helps you calculate your loan repayments and make informed decisions about your finances. By following the steps outlined in this guide and considering all the costs and implications, you can use the calculator to find the right loan for your needs and ensure you can afford the monthly repayments.